What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute again. It's been like a week or two. Haven't done a video. I want to begin by saying Merry Christmas to everybody. Today is Christmas Day. It's actually like 3 in the morning and I'm wide awake because I work midnight. So I figured I'd come out to the garage and mess with the car a little bit. Today we are going to be correcting our front camber. Yes, so as you've seen in the last video, we did our rear camber. So our parts came in. I'm not 100% complete with the whole front end because this Sunday I'm going to be picking up a couple more parts, which leads to Monday I'm actually going to be picking up something else, which is a big surprise. But anyways, today we actually received our parts that we need to achieve the camber. I'm gonna try to knock out at least one of them tonight, so we'll see how this goes. But first things first, let me show you what this thing is. So right here we have VAG camber kit sleeves. These are the sleeves that screw onto the airlift struts, well, PSI struts, but the airbag. You know, on the bottom of the strut where it threads on to bolt to the spindle. We're gonna be sitting at -5 degrees. Pretty simple install. Literally drop the spindle, unthread the old one, and we're gonna thread this new one on. So as of right now, we're -5 in the rear. And then we are 0 in the front. These sleeves should correct our camber. So let's get to it. All right, so we're just gonna undo our ABS sensor and then we're just gonna zap this 18 and hope this thing falls. All right. All right, so I found out this is a little shorter than the original one, so I don't think the threads, it's only gonna stop right here, so that's the unfortunate part. Yeah, so I'm pretty much stuck at that height. The only other thing I could do is cut the strut, but I really don't want to void my warranty. I think the last one went, ooh, dang it, I wanted to raise it up too. Yeah, I might just have to cut them nubs off. I really didn't want to, but I think I might have to. Because at this height, this is gonna be super tall. I already know it. It's not gonna air out. I'm kind of upset about this. Really a whole inch. 100% recommend a strut spreader tool. Okay, let's put this wheel back on and see how it sits. I think it's gonna be a little higher than it was, unfortunately, but I'm not trying to void my warranty. All right, so we just got the first sleeve installed, and I will tell you, I'm pretty freaking happy on how this thing is sitting. So I'm about to show you guys. I mean, obviously the toe is gonna be off a little bit. I gotta adjust the toe out just a hair, but it's sitting pretty freaking nice. All right, so guys, this is ride height, and we are about to air out. Ooh, I like it. All right, so I just want to show you guys before and after. So as you see, we got tilt back there in the rear, and if you look at this front, we are literally straight up and down. I think it's -1 if anything, because we are running top hats that are maxed out, but otherwise that's pretty much 0. If you come to the other side, you got the rear back there with tilt, and then you got, oh yeah, we're like -5 up here. That's what my phone is saying. Toe is still off, so I gotta adjust it a little bit, but yeah, sitting exactly how I wanted it. Just wait until these wheels come. All right, so it's now 4 in the morning on Christmas Day. And now that I'm looking at the one side, I really want to get this other side done and just call it a night. So I'm gonna hurry up and get the second side done and put you guys on time lapse. All right, guys, so it's 5 in the freaking morning. Finally finished up these freaking tilted sleeves. Unfortunately, the -5 sleeves only gave me -3, so I'm kind of upset about it. But like I said, I got some parts coming for this thing. So what I do have coming is R32 spindles. I already have the control arms, so once I install those, that'll give me an extra degree. So I'll be sitting around -4. So yeah, it'll be like -5 in the rear, -6, and then -4 up front. So I think that'd be perfect, just enough to be able to drive this car without wearing out tires like crazy. So as long as I got my toe correct, I think I should be good with wearing out tires and whatnot. I should be all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I got more stuff coming for this car. There's a bunch of parts that are going to be coming and thrown at this part or at this car. I can show you right now, actually. So there's a few goodies in there that we have to throw on the car, actually. So as you see, we got new tie rods, we got control arms, and I don't know, there's a few things. We have solid subframe bushings. Like I said, we got a lot of parts still to throw at this car. I also have to swap in the black interior, the black weather strip. I gotta give this thing a good detail, touch up some spots that are like scratched and whatnot because the body's not perfect. I'm tired, I'm about to get some sleep, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like Mark IV content, because I got a lot coming for you. So here's a quick walk around for you guys. As you see, we do got some tilt. It's not dramatic, but it is tilted. So I measured it, and we're only -3 up front. So I mean, I wanted to sit like the rear, but it is what it is. I mean, once I do my TT control arms and spindles, that'll give me an extra degree. But as of right now, -6, -3 up front. I mean, you can tell there's tilt, but nothing crazy. Like I said, I still gotta get in alignment, but that's how she sits.